Hello everybody, welcome to this YouTube update from Sterling International Consulting. In this particular video, we are going to talk about a very important international standard, the standard for occupational health and safety. It is OHSAS 18001-2007. Why this standard is important? Why your company should implement occupational health safety system? There is a very simple answer to that. Why you should implement health safety standard? Because you want to make sure that your employees, your contractors' employees, your visitors and surrounding community is safe. You want to make sure that incidents or accidents that happen during business execution is curtailed, minimized, or it is brought down to zero. This is a standard specifically to meet this requirement. What does it say? It's basically a risk and hazard approach. Hazard identification and risk assessment. What it says is, for every individual activity that happens in your organization, identify the hazard and risk associated with that. Have some kind of risk assessment, risk categorization, risk summarization, and risk assessment. Identify which are the significant risk, moderate risk, non-significant risk. Set up some kind of objectives and targets. Make some kind of management plan or objective achievement planning so that you can reduce the impact of this risk. This standard is very critical if you are into a contracting business, construction business, oil and gas business, refining business, chemical engineering, or virtually any kind of business where there is a likelihood of an accident or incident happening. This is a standard for you. If you are planning to achieve this internationally acclaimed health safety management system certification, we welcome you to visit our website www.uaeiso.com, or you can drop into our office and we can offer you our expert advice how you should plan to achieve this certification. What are the steps? How much time should it take? How much it will cost you? The steps are basically, we start with training, carry out gap analysis for risk assessment, help your core team prepare documentation like health safety manual, various procedures, checklist. We help them implement those. We also identify the applicable legal, statutory, regulatory requirements from state, municipality or federal government with respect to health and safety. How you can achieve those? You also need to identify the emergency evacuation policies and procedures. In addition to that, you need to do the document control, record control, internal audit, management review meeting, and keep on continuously improving your business performance with respect to health safety compliance. With our global experience and expertise in terms of the local Dubai and UAE, Abu Dhabi health safety regulations, we are sure we can offer you one of the best and most authenticated services in the field of occupational health safety certification. We ensure that through our consulting services, you just do not earn the certification. We help you put a very robust, result-oriented and progressive management system with respect to health and safety that will take your organization a long way in ensuring your prominent and dominant establishment as an organization that cares for everybody's health and safety. We appreciate your time joining me today, and we welcome you to contact us at info@uaeiso.com. We would be glad to assist you and partner your organization for occupational health safety OSHA's 18,001 certification. Thank you very much.